Hey everyone, welcome back to Hobbies Foo. Just back for another episode on the Smoke Hollow charcoal barbecue, and it's with regards to the last video I posted, the control arm for the charcoal grill itself, for the raising and lowering mechanism. And today I'm just going to go through the actual, I'm not assembling it right now. I'm just going to show the assembly completed, so that anybody who's having trouble following the instructions on the Smoke Hollow charcoal barbecue grill will be able to hopefully use this as a bit of a tutorial. Seeing a picture is worth a million words is what they always say, so let's get a picture going. So this unit here is the grill. I just used it the other day, so please forgive. I leave the wood in until the next barbecue. Anyway, as you can see, this is the charcoal grill here, and this is where I put my water. And this here mechanism here, and of course on this side, and it has an arm that goes all the way across and goes out that side through here, which is what this lever attaches to. To raise and lower the unit. Has to be in the lowest position possible, number one here, okay? And it's put in through, and this is just dangling, and this here is basically straight down. And then you put it onto the rod here, and you fasten the screw. Then you grab this rod down here and you push it forward and pull it up, line it up, put that screw through. And that's how that part of the unit gets attached. Now let's look at the chassis to the grill itself. The chassis attaches to the grill with two screws here and here, which is easy enough to understand. That chassis attaches to the barbecue body back there with two screws on both sides, as you can see there. So the steps to installing this are pretty easy. Step one, attach and attach. Step two, mount the grill in and put the screws into the assembly to fasten it. Step three, slide this arm in the lowest position. It's just going to come straight over here, attach it up here, and fasten it. Step four, grab the rod. It's going to be dangling down here, push it forward, pull it up, fasten the screw, and you're complete. I hope that helps anybody who's having trouble with that part of the instructions. It is a little bit tricky. It's just some pictures with dotted lines and numbers for screws and barbecue parts. There's not really a good explanation of how that actually fits together. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Pew!